easy
Melissa
money
coming
right
down.
here.
She went
Come on
up
over and
twice.
get it. $50 Visa cash card.
Come on, Jade. All right, come on, keep going. Keep going.
Come on, we're checking the box on the wall. Right now we got a $50 Visa cash card up on top. Just all the way to the very, very top right hand side. Right now, $50 Visa cash card up top, guys. All you gotta do is make it to the top in 2 minutes left. No need for speed here, guys. Climb up that wall. Slow and steady. Work your way to the top and snatch that cash. $50 Visa cash card, guys. Come on over and check it out. Easy money right here. Come on over and get it. $50 Visa cash card.